You're going to be dead in 2 days.
Yeah, I am.
Have you processed that?
I mean, as much as a person can, right? That's a heavy-duty thing, isn't it?
Do you think you deserve the death penalty?
No, I don't, though, actually. However, I think that if Jeremiah Miller's family really thinks I killed him, they should have the opportunity to kill me. You know what I mean? And so I guess maybe I do believe to some extent in an eye for eye. I mean, I know how I would respond if somebody killed somebody I love, and I was sure they did it. I mean, like, someone your sister, the only thing you do is bail that person out of jail.
You killed him?
I didn't say that. I said you bail him out of jail.
It's interesting, just because it's not the world we live in.
I get it. I lived outside that world, you know what I'm saying?
What do you hope for your son? What do you hope for your grandkids?
They are more successful in finding happiness and some degree of satisfaction and gratification in a life within the parameters, you know what I'm saying? My inability to do that clearly is a sizable portion for me being here. And I just hope they're able to do that, you know what I mean?